here we are, little tales from the truck. I haven't done too many of these just lately. As you can tell by outside, it's been a wet old day. I've just been doing all the mole trapping. Checked all the mole traps, had a few moles on there, a couple of mink, and quite a few rats. And I've been dealing with feral pigeons, that sort of stuff. So it's been a pretty busy morning on the vermin control reins. Just came to a cattle yard that's been getting quite a lot of problem with feral pigeons and things on their silage pits, that sort of stuff. It's not so much just what they're eating, but it's more what they're pooing over, you know, causing disease and things. So it's a contract we've been called in on to deal with. And if you can see it, the old Air Arms Galahad, and she hasn't missed a beat. Absolutely brilliant. For shooting from the truck, because she's short, she's a bull pup. Absolutely brilliant for this sort of work, and well, all sorts. Even though you saw me on the rabbits the other night. I just got covered in cow crap. I don't know if you can see on my arm here. I don't know if I can get it on the camera or whatever. Absolutely covered. Shot a pigeon off of a top of a roof round there. Went round to get it. Perfect dead shot. Of course, still had a few nerves and flapping and stuff. As I picked it up, it just flapping and just completely covered me in cow crap. Covered the gun, everything. I looked like I'd just had a swim in a cow pat. So wasn't so impressed on that one. But there we go. Anyway, bit of a tales from the truck. Any of you guys got any questions or anything else? Let me know, and I'll try and fill you in as best I can. Really love hawkscapes. Those that know me know I love air arms and know I love hawkscapes, and I'm being attacked by a mozzie. Go away. So I paired it up with a hawk. Well, the other hawk I had on there, something went wrong with it. So and it was a second-hand scope when I got it. So Hawk kindly sent me another one to go with the Galahad here for this reviews I'm doing, and I tell you, it's almost too easy. It's that accurate and sweet. Like I said, the only thing that niggles me a little bit, and I've got to keep remembering not to do it, is that bit there. It's not, the cocking lever is as sweet as silk to cock, but you got to watch you don't catch it. As a target shooter, it won't matter as much, but as a vermin hunter, you got to watch you don't touch it because it shoots down. And but yeah, well, apart from that, I tell you what, I'm even contemplating splashing out and buying this one, because it's on equal par to my S410, my own personal one, my favourite gun. And this is a sweet little number, I got to admit. So anyway, on that note, I'm going to rock and roll, because there's some magpies circling. Anyway, I'll leave you guys to it. Proper job, mucker.